Hello employers and potential contractors, I'm Carlos, and a couple of weeks ago I shared this video CV.
For further information, and of course, thank you very much for watching and have a great day ahead.
That I made with the intention to earn some visibility and potentially to increase my chances to land a job sooner than later. And you know what? After putting a lot of passion and dedication in the job search, I can say now that I'm still looking for a job. Now that I'm still looking for a job. Now that I'm still looking for a job. But I'm not here to complain, but to share with you 2 skills that you may appreciate and that can be helpful for your company, and also to share with you a bit more about where am I aiming and which are the things that I can do for your company. So the first skill would be I'm a good educator. Both of my parents are educators, teachers actually, and I have been working in the past in fields like the personal training or purely the educational field as a teacher. And after that, even in my last company, in Telos International, I was delivering not only coaching sessions, but also trainings, workshops, and all these sort of master classes in a sense, where you deliver a content and engage people and make them upskill themselves. So I believe to have done this pretty right. Obviously you can talk with my previous company and so on to check, but yeah, I'm confident that I can do that for different reasons. Sorry that I cannot demonstrate it here, but I can demonstrate a little bit of my knowledge in Google Spreadsheets, where I have developed a level of skill that allowed me not only to create formulas and formulas within formulas and queries within queries, and even some programs, like I said, that would send an email instead of me, but to use it even in my personal life nowadays, for example, to rename pictures, as I'm going to show you in a second. This is how I rename photographs nowadays using Google Sheets. So the first thing that I do is to copy the name of the folder where all my pictures are, like a generic one, and I paste it in Google Chrome to get a list of files inside that I can copy and paste and utilize in my Google spreadsheet. I paste it in a particular location because I need to in this case, and basically I only have a directory, and here I have a thing happening already, which is that the spreadsheet is already pulling the old file names and is allowing me to introduce a new desired name. For example, I know that the first 20 pictures are going to be portrait, so I'm going to use a generic name, portrait 1, and we are going to name until 34, okay, and then party, and I'm going to name it party 1 until, I don't know, let's say that I'm going to rename not every file, but that these are the files that I want to rename until here, and these are the names that I want for them. So with few formulas that already work, like the first one query, here concatenate, we are trying to create a code that is going to be the outcome that we can use then to paste in PowerShell. That is a Windows tool that allows to do some things like this, like changing names of files, deleting files, etc., etc. And this is what we are going to do to rename most of those files. So here I'm copying the code, I go to PowerShell, and in PowerShell I just paste the code that I created with Google Sheet. And now let's go back to our folder and let's see. Effectively, as you can see, yeah, I think that all of them have been renamed already, so we're good to go. And basically here I'm not showing you much of like the whole process, but I think that you can see already that I can apply formulas inside formulas, that I can apply a simple and more complex queries. I can show you queries within queries, that's not a problem, and obviously we could use more things, but yeah, I hope that for a little explanation and for a little demonstration, it does the job. And let's continue with the video. So basically, this is an introduction to potential skills that you may be interested in, and I may extend in future videos if I still don't find a job. But I would like to mention here that the type of job that I'm looking for right now would be rather related to... I hope that you see the potential, and like I said the last time, check my email, check my LinkedIn profile, and let's do business together.